大家好，我叫侯希怡，英文名係 Brianne。我喺聖瑪加利男女英文中小學讀緊小3。我好鍾意太空，因為太空有好多神秘嘅嘢，我哋仲未發現。我都好想做一個太空人，但我知道做一個太空人，除咗要學識好多知識，更重要嘅係要識點樣克服自己嘅恐懼。我希望參加呢個小太空人計劃，可以俾我體驗下太空人喺好困難同埋危險嘅情況下點樣解決問題。I've designed a snake and ladder board game based on the theme of the Milky Way galaxy because reading space books might be very boring for some kids. This game is not only fun, but also an interactive way for kids to learn more about space facts and challenges. It is very simple. Just roll the dice and see which square you will land on. Some challenges will bring you forward while others will drag you backwards. I've also added some 3D elements to make it more interactive, such as this is a wormhole. Just spin the wheel and see which square you will be transferred to. You never know if you're going to win or lose, so never give up until the end. I also want to deliver this board game to countries with less resources to help the kids learn more about space. I also want to put this into a space museum to let visitors try it out. Thank you.